This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make simple chicken biryani. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of chicken, 2 cups of basmati rice, and a selection of aromatic spices. Don't forget to prepare fresh ginger-garlic paste and finely chop your onions and tomatoes. Remember to soak your basmati rice for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for perfect, fluffy grains. Next, we'll focus on marinating the chicken to infuse it with incredible flavor. Take your 1 pound of chicken pieces and mix them with half a cup of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Stir in 1 tablespoon of biryani masala and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Let this marinate for at least 30 minutes, or for a deeper flavor, 2 hours in the refrigerator. Now, let's build our biryani layers. First, sauté 2 large onions until they are beautifully golden brown. Then, add your marinated chicken and cook it for about 10 minutes until it's partially done. In a heavy-bottomed pot, layer the partially cooked basmati rice over the chicken mixture. Finish this layer by sprinkling fresh mint, cilantro, and a few drops of saffron-infused milk for that authentic aroma. Finally, it's time for the dum cooking, which locks in all the flavors. Seal your pot tightly, perhaps with dough or foil, and cook on very low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. This gentle cooking allows the flavors to meld perfectly. Once done, turn off the heat and let the biryani rest for 10 minutes before opening. Gently mix and serve your delicious, aromatic chicken biryani hot with raita or a fresh salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.